What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys my custom Lego vending machine. Yeah, let's get started with the build. In this build, there are 29 total pieces that you need. Now these ones the cans in the back you can change up. Color wise it doesn't matter. But all these other pieces here, they are necessary. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so that is the build. It's just quite a simple build. I actually got an idea because I actually saw a vending machine like this on Bricklink. Sorry, not Bricklink. It was one of those other brick companies where you can buy bricks individually. But I saw this design and it was around like $8, I think. And so I thought, hey, I can make this with the spare parts that I have. So I did. So that's basically where the inspiration for this build came about. This is also a completely custom build. I did take inspiration from the vending machine that I saw online, but I've modified it to the pieces that I had. Anyway, that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed. I will try and make other machines like this, vending machines, arcade machines, claw machines, whatever, and putting them into my city. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to do yourself a favor and do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button below. You won't regret it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.